my channel. We just landed in Fiji. We're matching. We're gonna wait for Zara and James and Bridget, another girl that came with us, and then head to the jetty where we're taking a catamaran to our private island, which I'm so excited for. So I'm gonna be vlogging this trip. Hurry up! From Fiji, guys. So I didn't really get that much footage last night because we got in pretty late, but oh my god, we just checked into the most beautiful beachfront villa ever. I'm literally just walking out to the beach now. I'm going to show you. Like, how pretty. There's our little villa, and then we've got a little hammock here. It's so nice. It's only 7 o'clock, so the sun hasn't like completely come up, but holy crap, the water is so clear. I'll show you in our room. Nothing fancy. And there's the bathroom. Oh hey, we are off to Cloud 9 today.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
My camera got wet.
That's cool.
So yeah, it just didn't turn on, so I'm using Riley.
We'll just make do.
Yeah, I'll use my phone. But yeah.
Alright.
That's really fucking hard.
You'll be right.
Come on.
Yeah.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I've just rocked up to Funky Fish. I'm vlogging on my phone because this bitch broke her camera, so that's just amazing. Oh, there's a pool. Okay, I need to pee. This is our outfits. New Balenciaga dress. Oh my god, it feels so weird being on a phone right now, but how cool is our little hammock? I'm just gonna use this from now on, like my phone. I have had it in rice overnight when we were at this Funky Fish resort yesterday. They were nice enough to give me like a container with rice, and it's been in there for like, well, since like yesterday at 4, and I just tried to turn it on. No luck. Last night we had a paint party and it was really fun, but I'm just so tired from the night before. We literally went to bed at like 12. I was like, no, can't do this. So for breakfast, there's not much of a, I guess you can make like really anything keto, but I've just been having like an omelette, which they make fresh, and I bought some avocados from the shop at the jetty before we got onto this island, so I can have like, sometimes I have bacon, eggs, and then avocado, because they've also got like hash browns, baked beans and stuff like that. So trying to steer away from those foods so I'm not bloody bloated when I'm in like active wear every day. We didn't do a workout this morning because me and Riley are going to film one, like a beach workout for our Instagrams or whatever. So that should be fun. And then we have like a free day until like 1 o'clock and we're going to like this sandbank, which is really cool. But yeah, we don't have much planned for today, but tomorrow we're going to that Mulla Mulla Beach Club, which I'm so excited for. Oh yeah, Cloud 9 was so epic. Like, it was so cool. I tried to use Riley's camera half the time, but it was just so annoying putting my SD card in hers and then taking it out, putting mine in. So I think I filmed some footage on my phone. I can't really remember, so I was a bit but yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast now with my avo. Oh, I need my coffee. I bought my before you speak coffee. Got my coffee. So I bought heaps of sachets of this because I don't really like normal coffee since I've tried this. So got my avo and coffee and I'm ready to go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Just arrived to the Sandbank Island. So cool.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Morning guys, so we've just woken up for the sunrise. It's 5:30 at the moment. It's still like pitch black, but we're gonna go and get some nice sunrise pictures and just like watch the sunrise. I'm in some little tropical activewear. We're gonna go do a beach workout after. Here's the little sunrise. It looks so pretty. I wish the clouds were there, that would quite cool. Water is so blue.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, guys! Dig it in! Good work! Nice, nice! Good work, guys! Since none of the guys overtook the girls, we'll make the guys do 5 burpees each. Alright, so all the guys down and 5 burpees.
Holy shit, look how nice that looks. Getting my hair braided.
One of these.
Just got my hair braided at the resort. Oh my god, love. I get them all the time when I go to Bali. I need to flip the camera around because this view today is amazing. Like, what is going on here? Peter, come out here. Because it looks amazing. He's like, why? Wow. Is he gonna catch it?
This is one final destination.
Oh! Holy shit, that was epic.
So I know you said food before Instagram photos, but
We
like
need some here.
while we're out here, we may as well because I'm not fucking walking out.
Just wait for everyone to walk. Oh my god, look at the water by. Yeah.
That's cool.
Wow. So this is like literally the most amazing place I've ever been. Wow. This is called Mulla Mulla beach club in Fiji.
You guys want to look at David?
I'm literally about to snorkel in the most amazing water you have ever seen in your life, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm actually so blown away by this place. Oh, there's Peter. I was like looking for him before. I'll show you.
We're just about to snorkel. Hello.
Okay. You got this. Go, hold your tits. I literally just woke up before Peter's still sleeping. We had the foam party last night and literally Peter just didn't want to go home. And it was like 2 o'clock and I was like, I'm so tired. We woke up for the sunrise. Oh my God. I don't think I've ever been so tired in my life, but worth it. Also, we went snorkeling yesterday at Mulla Mulla. By the way, you have to go to Mulla Mulla if you go to Fiji. Like, it is such a sick beach club. Anyways, so we went snorkeling and I got my hair braided. So my hair's like in the side part. And I had my goggles on and my fringe must have gone down like to my eyebrows. And I legit look like a boy. I need to put the photos in. Like, I was pissing myself when I saw the photos. They thought I looked cute, but like I really didn't. Riley and Matt looked cute and I was just there looking like a boy. It was so funny. So yeah, I've put them on my Instagram, but I'll put them in this vlog for those that missed it. But fuck, it was so funny. We're gonna go have breakfast now. It's 8 o'clock. And today we have the island games. So apparently one of the contestants from the Survivor New Zealand has come on the trip to like be the host, so that should be fun. And then we're going home tomorrow, which is really sad because I don't want to go home. Alright, I'm gonna go wake up Peter because he's still sleeping and I'm gonna go to breakfast, so I will vlog later on. So we're just about to do the island games. We're here with one of the contestants from Survivor. Excited.
I'm the biggest bitch here, so I'm just literally just gonna wrap this around me and sort of just sit at the back like a bell.
Where should I go?
Nah, you have to get it round you and lean, I reckon.
Can you do that? Isn't that like yeah. And should I go behind you?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I suppose you're gonna get fucked up. You're gonna get like.
Yeah, he's gonna get fucking too.
Big bedsheet. Don't put this in the vlog, Jazz. Alright. I'm so glad I got out of that one because I really was not up for any physical activity today. But I will keep the scarf, it's quite cute.
This is really good lighting here.
Yeah. To the winners. Finally. So we didn't win tug of war, but there's a bonus round against the Fijian staff, and the winner gets a free trip to the next Awaken Fiji. So let's see who wins. This is so funny. Holy shit! What's that you're wearing there, Dill?
Yeah, Jasmine wristband.
Oh, what's that? Oh, you're doing a workout there.
Oh.
This is my wristband.
Oh.
Suits you, Dill.
Ladies and gentlemen, 3 cheers for Awakening of 2019. Hip hip!